When I began yoga, this was as far as I could sit, Indian style or crisscross applesauce, however you want to put it, because my hips were so tight. But with time, practice, and patience, eventually those hips open up to where you could sit comfortably, Indian style or crisscross applesauce, with ease. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make use of household items if you don't have access to yoga props. And something like this posture, which is called Baddha Konasana, you bring the soles of your feet together, you bring your heels as close to the body as you possibly can, you bring your heart to center forward, draw your shoulder blades back, and then what you can do is you take a rolled up towel and you can place them right under your thighs. Take a nice, slow, steady breath in. Exhale. And allow yourself to surrender into this posture. And if you're able to hold this posture for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or as long as you can, in due time, your inner groin and thighs and hips will eventually open up. Next, you can take those towels. Again, keep the soles of your feet together. Rest your legs on those towels. And this one is called Baddha Konasana. So basically it's reclined, bound, angle pose. You could do this in your bed or laying down on the floor. Breathe and let go. Another posture you can do is the happy baby pose. Now for some of you, if you're only able to do this with one leg, what you do is you bend your knee, take your 2-piece fingers, grab your big toes, and pull and bend your knee down to the earth. Gently release, then switch to the other side. Then move into both legs. Thank you so much for inviting me into your home to practice yoga. I hope your hips are feeling relieved and happy. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell off to the right to receive notifications for new video tutorials. See you next time.